Did you know that a majority of entrepreneurs aren't doing this one thing that could make a huge impact on their businesses? Stay tuned to find out if you're in the majority or the minority. There's one thing that every single entrepreneur, no matter whether or not you're just getting started or you've been in business for a decade or more, whether you have a small list, a big list, it doesn't matter. There is one thing that you could be doing right now that could make a huge impact on your business. But a majority of entrepreneurs aren't doing it. It's easy to get distracted by the latest trends and tactics that are going to drive your business forward, but there's something that would make more difference than all of those things combined. But it gets overlooked every single day. So if you are one of the few that is doing this, consider yourself a smart cookie. If you're not, now is the time to make the change. The one thing that you can do every single day that can make a huge impact on your business is to get social on social using video. Create personal connections, have one-on-one conversations, build your community one person at a time. It's what I call the cofactor. Gone are the days of having to do everything the same way everybody else is doing it. It's your business and you get to decide how you want to run it. You don't need to follow all the latest trends to make a huge impact. Slow and steady wins the race. If you take the time to focus on building and cultivating the relationships that you have or want to have, that will have a greater impact on your business in the long run than any other quick fix tactic or latest marketing fad is going to have. And if you want to do this is an even more powerful way, use video. It's what I call the Vid Cofactor. If this is something you're currently doing in your business, I'd love to know. Write smart cookie, because you're one smart cookie, in the comments. And if you're not, but you want to start doing this, write change in the comments, because we are going to change that today. Don't worry, if you're currently not doing this, a majority of people aren't doing this. But today we are going to change that. Over the next 5 days, I challenge you to reach out to real people and create real connections. Here's what you need to do. Using whatever social platform you'd like, you're going to be using the Vid Cofactor to reach out, create a short video to connect with 5 people. On day 1, I want you to reach out to a biz buddy. You can say hi, share some news, check in on them, invite them to come watch this video, wink, wink, or anything really. The idea is to create a video in 1 minute or less to connect, communicate, and start a conversation. On day 2, reach out to a past client. You can say hi, check in on their progress, share something that they may have found valuable, ask them to refer a referral, introduce them to somebody else, or just say thank you. Don't worry about jotting all of these down. I have broken this down for you into a Get Social on Social PDF that you can access if you go on over to hollygstudios.com/social on social. I want you to start making these changes in your business to stand out and do things differently. On day 3, you're going to reach out to a prospect. It could be a hot, warm, or cold lead. It doesn't matter. Just reach out and ask them how you can help. Share a freebie that you might think that you think they might find valuable, or invite them to a personal chat. On day 4, you're going to reach out to an influencer. This could be somebody you wanted to connect with for some time, somebody new you just discovered. Maybe it's somebody that you saw speak and you're a fan from afar. It could be somebody you discovered in a magazine or on YouTube or through a friend. It could be a huge influencer or someone who's just building up momentum. It doesn't matter. Reach out and let them know how they've made an impact on your business. Let them know if there was a specific talk, article, or video that you found helpful and why. Then on day 5, you're going to reach out to somebody new. This could be somebody you've seen a few times online or maybe in person, but you've never formally been introduced, or somebody completely brand new and fresh. Say hi, share something helpful, pass along a compliment. Just keep it real. No manufactured, phony, spammy stuff. Take a few minutes to actually connect. Remember, at the end of the day, we're all human and we can all appreciate a genuine gesture and sniff out a fake one. Don't worry, I've got this all packaged up for you. Plus bonus, I have a fun tracker, so this doesn't have to end on day 5. This could be something you incorporate into your business daily. Every day you can pick someone new to connect with using the Vid Cofactor. Have fun. It's that easy. I'd love to know how this goes for you. Come on back and let me know. Let me know in the comments here. If you enjoyed this video, thank you for watching it. Make sure to like it and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss anything. And if you like this video and you think someone else might like it, go ahead and share it up. Remember, you're someone's reason to smile, so don't give up. Here we go.